Hi bazala bakamzitho, welcome to Umkhosi Nomagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umkhosi wethu namhlanje bazala bakamzitho, it's about uMakhwela and uMacele. Guys, I have noticed that uMakhwela noMacele, they have built a friendship, even though uMacele on the previous episode of Uthando Nesithembu uthe uMakhwela angalinge acabanga ukuthi umkhozi wakhe, even if angabala abangani angalinge yena ambale as umngane wakhe, akasumngane wakhe. She's just being nice to uMakhwela, but her being nice, it will give uMakhwela false into, because uMakhwela will think that this person umngani wami and she's the only person mhlambe engamthemba la kulesi themu, ngoba angifuni ucamba manga to uMakhwela izovela as if uMacele is very supportive, and even to me ngicabanga ukuthi she's one person owamukele uMakhwela with warm hands. And but ke we cannot blame abomayeni now because they have never been told about uMakhwela. We don't know i-reaction yabo izoba kanjani towards uMakhwela. uMakhwela nje usabona ukukwata nje kwamakhosikazi indoda yabo mayibatshela ukuthi nizolanywa or I'll be adding another wife, which is something that is understandable, guys, even if usesembini and even if you know that indoda yakhe ifuna ithemba, but it's not nice ukuthi indoda yakhe ikutshela ukuthi uzoletha omunye unkosikazi. Angithi usamthanda, it's a sign ukuthi usamthanda and unesikhwele, understand. And into ezoba buhlungu kakhulu ukuthi uMakhwela uyafika, uMakhwela sekalotsholile, they don't know, uMakhwela pregnant, they don't know. Yabo kwaMakhwela kuzoba kuningi, and guys, I am looking forward ukuthi ngizobona ukuthi bazoreacta kanjani, especially uMayeni noMangwabi. Even naye Makhumalo izomhetha ukuthi sihleli nawe la, sihamba nawe ku-vacation, ushiya umuntu opregnant le, uya understand, utshela umuntu oyi-one. Thina la as a family siyabantu angathi yilima zakho, because kuMakhumalo izoba buhlungu kakhulu ngoba isisu, guys, abona i-pregnancy is one thing you cannot hide. Mhlambe nje vele endaweni abantu sebayazi bayambona uMakhwela ngoba sekayindlulile 3 months, and after 3 months vele usually isisu seziyaqala ukubonakala, i-pregnancy seyaqala ukubonakala. So that means abantu basendaweni kaMakhumalo bayazi ukuthi indoda kaMakhumalo imithisile, uMakhumalo akazi. Uyayibona into yenze umusi ukuthi acabane namakhosikazi wakhe. It's like everyone endaweni bazi into ngawe. Mina ngihlala nawe endlini angiyazi, which is something that I don't think it's right. I think it's wrong. I know ukuthi I've been nje bengimkhulumela umusa ngithi sokuyisono uyagula mabamzwele, but this one I think is over wrong. So guys, uMakhwela has posted their pictures that she posted of uMacele. You can see ukuthi uMacele is even attending ama-functions wakibo uMakhwela. She is going out noMakhwela, guys, and even now I think they have a very good friendship or a very good bond, because uMacele uthakasa umngane wakhe. Ngoba these pictures, they are recent pictures, and you could see ukuthi uMakhwela has lost weight. Angithi uceda ukuthola umntwana, guys, so it's normal ukuthi vele angasabuyeli kuleya body yakhe, even though I like the new body, ngibona muhle kakhulu futhi. And one thing about amakhosikazi kaMusa, mahle wonke. So uMacele is attending ama-functions wakibo Makhwela. But one thing uMakhwela mhlamba angayazi or acabanga ukuthi angeke yenzakale ku, Macele has been close with uMakhumalo, but she was the first wife oshilo uMakhumalo kuma invited to umshado ukuthi she won't be attending umshado wakaMakhumalo, just because yena noMusa baba nesithembiso ukuthi after 20 years akusana nto ezothi sithembe ezoyenzeka. Mara naku phela shiqiliqi sekahamba no number 5. uMacele, guys, to me ubonakala nje umuntu onganalo iqiniso, but we don't know why. And asihlale emzumbe, asihlale nabo kamsele mhlambe khona izinto amakhosikazi amenza zona angazithandi, so she feels as if because lo musha ngcono ahlale nalo, or she is trying ukuthi atshengise uMakhwela ukuthi she is welcomed la kulesithembu, uyamthanda, akanankinga naye as umamkhulu. Angithi bashilo on the previous episode, yesterday's episode, that babalulekile abantu abakhulu bona empilweni kaMusa. Yena umuntu omkhulu just because ushade kucalwa, lo umuntu omkhulu ngoba ukhethiwe kulokuthiwa unumber 5 anyeke afike ufikile. That means bona uMusa uyabathanda. Mina to me ivele yabangathi uMacele uthi, no what, thina uMusa uyasithanda and uyasivikela, but thina uMusa simbonayo ku TV ngangifuni ukuthi engimaziyo lo ngibona ku TV uzivikela naye. The next season you'll be shocked. uMusa sikavota noMayeni, you'll be very shocked. uMusa kuvikela umuntu oyenza lento yena afuna yenza, ongayenzi la angafuna yenza phuma kuye fast masinyane. But bazalwa bamzitho, that is all for now. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.